So you're going to arm your drone by bringing those controls down and in. Down and in. Yep.
Oh,
There you go. It is now armed.
What do you say?
Launching.
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 Launching. And go slow and easy with the controls, okay? The wind kicking your butt a little bit?
Yeah, and then I overcorrected, trying to get it back on.
That's okay. That's what we're here for. We're learning. Who's ever heard the term slow is smooth and smooth is fast? Right?
Mm-hmm. Race car.
Exactly. Cops, race car drivers, airplane pilots.
Spell backwards. Race car.
B-R-O-K-E.
So did you overshoot your landing just a little bit?
Yeah.
That's okay. You corrected it and you got it back on track.
Come on.
All right, that's okay. You back up.
Pull it back a little.